Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on Washington Boulevard. Now, we're turning on to Washington Boulevard now, and this road is one of the main roads that take you into and out of the city of Kingston. It's actually 6 lanes. It's one of the widest roads in Jamaica. There are not many roads that are 6 lanes. The average in Jamaica is between 2 and 4 lanes. Now, the city of Kingston is the largest city in Jamaica. Over 1 million people live in the city of Kingston. So you need people to be able to come in and out of the city easily. And Washington Boulevard is one of those main roads. It actually takes you from Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica, to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the plans the government has to improve this road. Increased focus will be placed on the Washington Boulevard Improvement Project in fiscal year 2024-25 as the government works to transform the major roadway that serves as the entry into Kingston. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, in making his contribution to the 2024-25 budget debate in the House of Representatives recently, said that the project will stretch from New Haven to Dunrobin Avenue. The National Works Agency, NWA, has been tasked with delivering detailed engineering designs to enhance this corridor. The project scope encompasses not only traffic flow optimization, but also endeavors to elevate visual appeal, recognizing its pivotal role as a gateway into our capital city, the Prime Minister said. He added that essential infrastructure installations such as water networks and fiber optic cabling will be facilitated to augment the services that are carried on the road. Pointing to the urgency of the situation, the Prime Minister says, as it is now, Washington Boulevard, is not a good reflection on the entry into Kingston, and it is a very difficult piece of road to navigate. It really does need serious attention. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. This is the actual road. This is Washington Boulevard that we're driving on. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.